Right guys, this is the third video for today and we're going to jump into a few of these memes, starting off with cheers because I haven't done cheers for a little while. So I'm going to bring this video to you. Let's roll the video. Let's quickly take a look at the chart and see what is going on. Guys, we're still ranging sideways here for now, but ultimately I reckon it won't be long until we literally come back to retest this all-time highs right up here. This would be fantastic news for anyone who's holding cheers token, because for the longest we've been going sideways, and finally we saw some volume coming in over here, and it looks like we are continuing our way on a sideways trajectory. However, I can see us going much more further higher than this. In fact, if you take a look at the current market price, we're right over here. It won't be long until we break these two resistance lines before ultimately retesting the last all-time highs. Now, how far are we away from the all-time highs? Just getting at the measuring tool just so we can measure exactly from where we ought to target for our all-time highs, which would be roughly around about up here. That's an easy yeah, that is a 10x from here, and that would be a pretty decent move. So if you put in $1,000, you get $10,000. If you put in $100, you get $1,000. You get the gist. However, still do consider the Capri Cheese token to be a premium meme, because ultimately we are going to see a crazy ride to the upside during the bull season. Now, I won't bore you too much with the technical analysis, but at least I can show you if you are looking to get in and you haven't gone in yet. Anywhere within this range, you can get in whenever you want. Down there would be quite a good one, because we've still got a pretty decent move to make from here to there. And ultimately, once we break up from here, we should be continuing our way to the top. So think of it as a long-term play. Don't be worried too much about the charts. Now let's take a look at the tokenomics, just so we have an idea in terms of how far we could potentially go. So for the DiCaprio Cheers token, the current market cap is at 1.3 million and the total supply is at 999 million, just under 1 billion. And if we take a look at the market cap, we can quite easily do 10x from here. 10x from here, we'll put the market cap at 13 million. And then if we do 100x, that'll put us at 130 million. If we do 1000x from here, that will put us at 1.3 billion, and that would be a fantastic trade for all of us. If you invest $100 and you wait for that 1000x, guys, that's an easy $100,000. This could be one of the most easiest trade, guys, because all you got to do, if you can afford to trade, it's not financial advice, if you can afford to trade with $100 into these memes I'm going to be talking about today, you can quite literally flip your $100 into $100,000. So guys, once again, if you find it interesting, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Also let me know if you're super bullish on Cheers token as I am, because I still reckon we can do 1000x. We may even do a little bit more than that. Who knows, guys, but we will find out. So why don't we head over to the next video, which is BCOQ INU. Alright guys, so for BCOQ INU, it's looking like it's going sideways still. In fact, we've been dipping slightly for the past couple of hours. The whole market has been dipping, in fact, which is good news for all of us, because if you're looking to add more to your bags, I'm looking to add more here. It's currently breaking down from this level, and we could see a potential continual move to the downside. If you fall much further down, guess what, guys, I'm going to be eating up more, because I reckon we're going to eventually see more than 10x, more than 100x. We might even see 1000x move. The reason why I'm confident in that is simply because if we take a look at the market cap, is currently at 2.9 million, so 10x from here is 29 million. 100x away from here, it's 295 million, and then 1000x, it's an easy $2.9 billion market cap. Currently for BCOQ INU is sitting at around about, I think it was 500, and let's have a look. It's currently sitting at $155 million market cap, and yes, I do believe BCOQ INU can easily reach around about $155 million market cap, because ultimately when COQ INU explodes, BlackRock INU will follow as well. And in fact, because we're getting in so cheap, guys, I would hold all this like a boss. None of this is financial advice, because ultimately when you get into any project that's kind of early, any meme coins or cryptocurrency that's below 5 million, it is quite risky to get into, because you just don't know whether they'll actually go much higher, or they just don't have that staying power in order for us to see some explosive gains for the bull season. However, I reckon with BlackRock INU we should easily be able to see a 1000x play, because a 2.9 billion market cap for BlackRock INU is extremely doable during the bull season. So far we've mentioned Cheers token. Cheers token can easily do 1.3 or 1.4 billion, which will bring Cheers token up to 1000x. And I've also just given you another 1000x play over here, guys, because you can quite easily turn your $100 into $100,000. But if you can afford to put in $1,000, then guys, if you get 1000x from that, you will make 1 million. And if you can afford, guys, it's definitely worth doing that. Even though it's not financial advice, just look at the tokenomics. It can certainly get up to the $1 billion market cap, and I reckon Cheers token and BlackRock INU can certainly get there. Now let's take a look at Success Kid. Success Kid has been doing phenomenally well, especially over the past few weeks now. And for the longest, I've been calling this one out too. We began sideways range here for the longest. And well, guys, we are dipping slightly now, which means it's a perfect buying opportunity. So if you are looking to get yourself some more of your Success Kid token, I would wait until around about here, or get some now in case if we do bounce off this level before we continue away to the upside. Market cap is still low at 8.88 million. We called this one when it was at 4 million and less. So hats off for all of you guys who's been hodling this for the longest, as well as I have. And I hope you all are in sick gains, and hopefully be even sicker gains in the near future. So if you've gone in around about $3 or $4 million market cap, you could quite easily see 1000x from there, because that would have put the market cap at the price of where you've entered, around about 3 or 4 billion. However, due to the total supply being low and the market cap being low, I reckon we could quite possibly see this turning into a $10+ billion market cap. If that is the case, then guys, we could quite easily still see this to be 1000x play from here. Either way, guys, you let me know in the comments if you're super bullish on this project. I always tend to look at the market cap if I'm hodling for the long term. And I do sometimes do I have been doing quite a lot of intraday trading, where I just get in, get out of my trades. So for all you technical analysis, let me know if you're here. Drop me a comment in the comment section, and soon I will start doing a lot more videos on technical analysis for all the ones who are interested in technical analysis. In fact, if any of you guys have signed up to my YouTube membership, guys, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna start dropping some more videos and more videos from Monday onwards. Just doing some preparation now, so you all can get your hands on a load of that, and hopefully teach you how to trade like a boss. Anyway, let's move on. So the next one is going to be on the mention. It's going to be Solana. Solana has been quite slow as of late, but now it's starting to wake up. Taking a look at the chart, we've been dipping here for the longest. Look at this, guys. That's like a nice long correction right over here. Let's quickly check out the whole entire chart. Look at this. We've in fact retested these levels down here. So that means the support line should have been right around about here. Reason why, because if you look to our left, this was the area when we first started off. We dropped below, then we went up, but we didn't come back here to retest this level, not till around about here. And then now we have confirmed to touch multiple times in this support area right there. But now it's looking like we are from the support and heading our way up to the top. If we do see at least another retest there, guys, that'd be quite healthy. Only reason why is because when we see a series of green candles like this, chances are if we see any kind of engulfing red candles, that we are mostly likely to retest this level before ultimately flipping it back up again. Because this high here is higher than there, that means it's quite healthy. If we were to see 50% drawdown from here, you could say that it happened right here, then you could have entered there, or if we come further down, you can enter from here for a move to the upside. However, we've been bought up here fairly quickly, so that means around about this green candle could be a nice entry. But if we drop a little bit further, add more to your bags, because ultimately we're going to quite easily hit the last all-time highs. And for this one, for Solana, we went as high as around about 5 cents. Now, they've still got a few more token burns to go through, but they need to hit certain milestone in order for them to burn each tokens. So at 5 cents, they would have burned at least up to 5 million tokens, because for each cent they go up to between 1 cent to 10 cents. 10 cents, sorry, they're going to be burning a lot of their tokens. So once we hit 6 cents, they can burn another million. And then they can continue burning 1 million token up until we get to 10 cents. So it's a quite easy play, guys. We are going to see a 10 cent for this project. And if we measure how far are we from here to that 10 cent mark, we are quite easily around about 4x away from that 10 cent mark. How high can we go for Solana? Alright, let's take a look at the tokenomics. Currently, we're 1.85 billion tokens. And the total market cap is at $32 million, which means 100x from here. It will put the market cap at 3.2 billion. Can we go much higher? I'm not so sure, guys. Perhaps this one out of the lot won't do as well, simply because it's got a higher market cap already. It's got quite a lot of tokens out in circulation as well, but they do need a lot more use case. They need a lot more functions behind the token in order for them to go much more higher than that. But ultimately, guys, with any of these meme coins, quite easily could get up to 10 or 15 billion dollar max. Any much more higher, well, they need to have more utility behind the tokens. So I reckon Solana could end up falling short compared to some of the tokens which we mentioned already today, which is the Success Kid, BCOQ, INU, and Cheers. Guys, tell me. Yeah, so guys, tell me, which one of these memes do you reckon won't do as well or won't perform as well? And do you reckon that BCOQ, INU would rise like a phoenix compared to a lot of them? You let me know in the comment section. The last token of the video is going to be the most super risky. Guys, this is extreme risky meme coin, because I'm not sure if I should even talk about this. This one is called the Chinese PEPE. Now, Chinese PEPE could in fact blow us all away, because if we take a look at the chart, this does look quite a decent setup, I'm not gonna lie. But are we gonna get rugged? Is this just gonna fall down to zero straight away, or are we gonna see a superhero like bullish explosion? If we take a look at where the price is at right now, and if you measure it here from the all-time highs, we are currently 363% away from the all-time highs. However, by actually taking a look at the chart setup, I do believe if we do decide to go above this resistance line up here, then that means the next one, or the next leg up, will be right up here. Now this one here will be very important, because once we do break this level, then I can't see why we can't retest the last all-time highs right up here. And once we do have a second crack on that and explode, then guys, we could see a crazy run to the upside. How much higher can we go with this one? Well, take a look at the market cap. It's only at 1 million. And from 1 million, 10x from here, of course, it becomes 10 million. 100x from here becomes 100 million, and 1000x will become 1 billion. This does have the tokenomics to do very well, in fact, but the question is, do we believe in this token? And do you reckon this meme will be around for during the bull season? Some of you wanted the most super riskiest play, and this is certainly one of them. This whole entire movement was actually up by more than 10,000% move to the upside. However, we did fell back into this level because normally whenever we see a parabolic move, we should always be expecting a cooling off. This cooling off came literally all the way back down to these levels right over here. Now, this is quite healthy, guys. Don't be fearful, especially if you're in the meme space, because this is quite a common play. However, we just need to see for us to go a little bit more higher than here to give me any kind of confidence to put in whatever I can afford to lose. Because guys, even I'm not 100% sure on this one. That's why I would only put in what I can afford to lose, because ultimately if I see a 10x return for this one, I might just take my 10x and run away from this project and go into either one of these. But either way, guys, I can't tell you what to do. It's not financial advice. Just want to put out to you some of the most best plays and potentially most riskiest one. But it could also give you some crazy returns. Either way, guys, if Chinese PEPE follows anywhere near or close as to PEPE, then we could see a life-changing wealth. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching my show. I hope you find this useful and informative. If you haven't done so, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated for all my latest contents and videos. Subscribe to my channel right over here. Hit the bell notification, scroll down, check out my last few videos, and I will see you.